Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to teach you how you can potentially improve your strategy, okay? How you can improve your strategy and also by extension improve your profitability. Okay, so there are so many things I could actually say when it comes to this particular topic. I can actually give you a lot of things, but for simplicity's sake, I'll just give you two, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. What's the very first thing you need to do when it comes to improving your strategy? The very first thing you need to do is to check the price action prior to your setup. Okay, so the price action leading to your setup, how did it look like? Okay, so that's the very first thing you want to study. Okay, prior to setup, prior to the setup of your strategy, you need to go and check exactly what happened prior to your setup. Okay, so you check what happened prior to your setup when you lost the trade, and what happened prior to your setup when you did what, when you won the trade. That is going to give you a very powerful information which you can then tweak in order to make your strategy more powerful. Okay, you can use it to tweak your strategy. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Let's say you go back after you've carried out maybe a few trades. You check those trades and you looked at the ones that won and the ones that lost. So you check what happened, how did the price move before the setup played out. Okay, the setup, your strategy setup, before it played out, how did price move? Okay, when you lost the trade, and how did it move when you actually won the trade? So it could be that there is, for example, I'm not saying this is what the case will always be, I'm just trying to give an example. It could be that there is an important liquidity sweep that took place before your setup. So prior to your setup, a particular level's liquidity was swept. Then the setup for your strategy showed up on the chart. Then you took the trade, and that led to a winning trade. Probably when you now check the losing trade, you see that there was no liquidity sweep anywhere. So that should be a pointer to you. Okay, that should tell you that, okay, anytime there is a liquidity sweep, that gives me high probability that I'm going to win the trade. So you can use that to start tweaking your strategy. Okay, it could be that there is a certain break of structure that happened somewhere, okay, prior to your setup lining up. All right, so that's going to give you an idea that, oh, when this kind of thing happens, that's when I win the trade most times. So it would be better for me to only take trades when I see this kind of thing happening before my setup. If it does not happen before my setup, I won't take the trade. Okay, so basically that's the idea. That's the very first idea. You need to check what's played out prior to your setup. So let's go to the second one. The second one has to do with your TP and your SL positioning. Okay, this one cannot be overemphasized. You need to check if there is a way you can adjust your TP, okay, your take profit position. If there's a way you can adjust it and still maintain profitability. All right, so maybe you're always going for 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, and sometimes price is going to go in your favor, then later it reverses and hits your stop loss. Is it that your TP for that particular strategy is just too outrageous? So those are the things you look at. Oh, but when you now go and check your trades again, you might find out that, oh, this particular trade actually gave me 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, but because my risk to reward ratio is 1 to 5, I placed my TP at a position where I was looking to win 5 parts and I was looking to lose just 1 part. I was using a very big risk to reward ratio. That's the reason why it did not play out. So assuming I go for 1 to 2, my TP would be hit most of the time. Then you can now start to see what you can do to probably adjust your TP. Then for the stop loss, it could be that when you're trading, you notice that your your stop loss gets hit, then price moves in the direction of your trade. So that could tell you that your stop loss is probably too tight. So you have to take that decision off of you researching majority of your trades. Okay, so it's not a single trade that you will use to take your decision. You check other trades that you have taken. Even if you did not take the trade, you already know how your setup looks. You can back test to see where is best for you to be placing your stop loss and where is best for you to be placing your take profit position. So by the time you do all of these things, definitely it's going to help you come up with a very, very solid strategy where your TP will be properly positioned, your stop loss also will be properly positioned, and you have higher probability of always winning your trades. Okay, so that's what I have for you this morning. If you got any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.